Hi everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set a stop loss on eToro using your mobile app. Let's get started. First, launch the eToro app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the home screen. Select the asset you want to set a stop loss for. Tap on the specific trade you want to modify. In the Trade Details window, tap the pencil icon or Edit Trade option. Look for the Stop Loss section. Tap it to adjust the amount. You can set the stop loss either by amount, specify the dollar or currency value at which the trade should close, or by percentage. Set the percentage drop from your entry price. Once you have set your preferred stop loss, tap Update or Save. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Confirm to apply the stop loss to your trade. And that's how you set a stop loss in eToro or your mobile. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.